on.
God have mercy upon us.
Flog me, let me see. What flog your sin on? Oh yeah, flog me, let me see. Flog your sin on, let me see. Flog me, let me see. Hey! Hey! Aujourd'hui.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reactions. Like I always tell you guys, I really appreciate that you guys always watch my videos. I really appreciate. So please make sure to watch this one to the very end, because it's going to be very short and it's going to be very, very funny. So make sure to subscribe if you're yet to do that, and share the video as well. It's very important. You feel me? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Open this door. I beg you, send him John. The only thing we go blow for you.
Why you are mad in love?
Because my babe is my life.
What are you doing here?
What's going on here?
You got me war!
You look crazy. You know the sound that man for this. Play this nigga, I will punch you now.
You don't want to run away. After everything I don't do for you. Yeah, you know you went to 4GB, they pay me 100K weekly. The money they carry give out. Instead of man, give my family. You do here.
And you even tell me, say 24GB, they give 100 new users, 100 million naira, 1 million naira each. And you win your own, you can go put our own account for them. Mumu.
Jesus.
So, I mean, after everything I don't do for you, you get me and they cheat on me.
I swear, no, he just said to teach me Forex, I swear.
Forex.
Bros, now you, na 300 I pay for. I don't go to remain one.
And that inside door. Honestly, when they see na camouflage you.
You know what, she just finished. Mona come and say, man, pack everything out of my. Bro, she go wait too. See men now.
Hey!
Hey! Mini men.
Hey!
Mini
Even the two guys are in that.
Come. What say this way they make me do no make sense. Now you supposed to stand for here, they stop bike. Now me they stop bike for us.
Now bad thing if you stop bike.
Now me they stop bike for two of us.
Now bad thing if you stop bike for your boyfriend.
This your behavior na rubbish, oh, rubbish.
Stop bike, Jerry. I don't
Don't blame me.
No be Motel with this.
Hi, my color. Enter, let me drop you.
I actually have a boyfriend. Sorry.
Huh? Eh? Which boyfriend? Better enter. Hungry go kill us for here. Boyfriend will not get money.
Now they tell again, make sure you enter motor. No one is above the law.
I need to be very, very wise and articulate, you know.
I'm blaming me, what's happened now? Nah, it might be forget. Blaming the reason why I call on her to come down for yet. Would I do the misbehave? When I do the big person team. If anybody pick person team for this house, we could join and beat them. Now why on I go slap me? You might you then forget again. Over me, if I declare senior for this house, make on beat me for big person team. My mom must have been man of the house. Man of the house, you don't enter this one. I bet me come up with a good.
When I don't beat you, I just beat you. When I don't beat you, well now.
Yeah!
Oui? Je connais.
419.
Driver. Tu comprends français?
You say what?
Tu comprends français?
You be mumu.
What thing be to comprehend pamper? I don't understand this one at the talk. You don't come. I know that hear what they talk.
Oui, madame, je comprends français.
What do you say?
Je comprends français.
They hear French?
Yes, I speak French very well.
Things say they wise.
Like, they hear what they talk.
You have a problem?
Okay, man, he no cool.
Okay? No, that's okay. I need to go
You
again.
know the year again.
What happened?
419.
Calm down.
Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking.
Why you say make you
Now
calm
that's
down?
it,
We
what
no
you
dey go
think?
again.
Okay, we know they go now. One chance.
I wanna be one chance. If you tell me from beginning now, the transport money.
Okay, I know what they carry the money to go.
You know they still collect money.
Madam, so you know they hear French?
Come.
It's okay.
Body go tell you.
You say this is what they do, eh? One day, hand go touch you now. No, I'm talking to you as you're moving. One day, hand go touch you now. I'm speaking to you. One day, hand go touch you now.
Hand go really touch them. Sportivers, can you imagine? They give you money, you can't give Sportivers. Sport is still a layer of food. If you know, you know. For people where they play bets, they pour their life for bets. Sporty don't play in car. Don't take Sporty play bets.
Bro, calm. So you lose. You see the way they tell us they lose. See, don't take us up. I go recommend you to this best Telegram channel where they predict short games. Name now Mr. Tony Community. Yeah, join our Telegram channel. The link in my bio. Join our Telegram channel. I mean, start to get short odds, short prediction, short. Bro, you not to lose. And I try and make you see. Now wow.
Hey. You don't just go in. Nah, I don't beat Sporty.
Who take her? You say you.
Yes. My bro.
I'm fine.
I do. Happy Salah.
Same to you.
Salah.
Did you get this from back?
No. Now my neighbor own.
Your neighbor will be Christian.
Actually, now my own.
Now you get her?
Yes.
Why you got the life for me now your neighbor get her now?
No, sir, I owe you money now.
Yes. I see, I understand. But now that money make me come.
Really?
Nah. Since like 1 year, I don't do me this money. Today I want the money for Salah like this. Now why I come?
You be Muslim?
No, I'm a Christian, I'm a Muslim now. I be the two together.
Oh.
Nah.
But I don't get money like this now.
You don't get money?
Yes.
Jesus. And you buy RAM?
And my last money, oh.
Okay. So what you want to do like this?
I run you 30k now.
You want to run 30k?
Yes.
But why you go run the balance?
See, I dash you this 30k. Next month, I go send you 100k complete.
Yes,
my
I know what now.
Okay, now.
Tell my tickers bank.
Okay, I get that.
No.
Let's watch this video.
Just now.
Yeah.
Okay, my confirmer. Blast!
Yeah.
Then I 300k send you.
300k.
I 300k send you.
Lie.
See now.
That's how it.
Blast. I like the way you feel the blast. Oh yeah, now business expectation. Heavy good, I go beat you massively.
Wait now, bro. What of my money now?
Don't be tell me say now your last money to buy RAM just now.
But I won't use this money to buy drinks.
Yes.
Because
you can see like this, I don't see the money like this. So how much you collect for inside?
Let's have it.
You take your 100k, give me own 200k now.
You don't forget to that 30k, just how much my salary.
Oh. But you run me the 170k now.
Yeah. Yeah, now. No go inside, man, send the money for you now.
What you want to do for inside?
Now I'll wait for you now when you kill the RAM now.
You know
yeah, now happy Salah.
Same to you.
Can you imagine? I go too busy for inside the house. I go busy for inside the house.
Mombari nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah.
She don't
mbona wewe. Mbona wewe.
What are you doing?
Nah, shit, the guy gone shit.
Wait, is that why you were running?
I swear.
You do RKO, Randy Orton. RKO.
Just watch that one at the fight. Look now, wait. Oh, just watch that one at the fight. Give me your hand.
God have mercy upon us.
Flog me, let me see. Flog your sinner. Oh yeah, flog me, let me see. Flog your sinner, let me see. Flog me, let me see.
Wipe and flog. Hey! Ewo! Hey! Let's go.
Kid baby. What's wrong with that? Hello. I don't know. Èmi ò sí aran yan yin kílé tó ń gbé wá ṣe. Àwọn ni ká fi ṣe le yan ni.
wàláhì ọmọ gidi ni ọ́. Àwọn tó ti wá kakẹ́ wíyà yìí tán pọ̀ gan-an tán ọ̀ràn tí a fa. Bí ìrọmọ jágò. Àbí jí ìbàdí. Bí òbí ìrùkùbá ní, eléyìí tó ń pe lóbi kùbàdàn nísìnyí. Lóbi kùbàdàn náà. Ìyá yín náà ti wá kakẹ́ wù. Àti sùlánà. Àmọ́ ọmọ gidi ni wọ́n tiẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tó mú wá yìí kò wọlé yá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni àfà, ó lè dàbẹ́ pé kò fẹ́ wọlé yá. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ tì ní. Timothy ní ìtì kiri lọ́gbọ́n. Mo ní ilé tì í ṣé ẹran ilé rẹ̀ àbùsàwábà kan. Ọdún òkú tó gbé sọmọlọmọ lọ́rùn mọ́ lè dá padà fún mọ́mì rẹ̀. Àṣọ bàbá bá tilẹ̀ fẹ́ kò sí wàhálà. Mọ́ṣálá, ó yá lójú ìjọba.
This country now, mumu.
Your mates are buying G-Wagon for their girlfriend. Look at the nonsense you bought for me. What kind of nonsense can I will not accept this kind? I cannot accept. See, look at the kind of car I buy. What nonsense?
You go upgrade them now. This guy. Wow, I upgrade. Oh my G-Wagon. This guy a bad guy. This guy a bad guy. I say they upgrade stuff, sir.
I will soon beat someone's child.
I said they upgrade stuff, sir. Women.
Come here. If you run, if you run. Officer, this is the stupid girl that's defending my daughter.
This same girl.
Yes, arrest her, let's leave here.
We don't arrest am tire now. This one a customer for our station. And she dey supply go give boys. She dey even dey give them gun when they take they go up.
Officer, I don't need to say much now, eh? Arrest her, let's leave here. What's the matter? Eh?
You're under arrest.
What's the problem?
What are you saying now?
Maybe say my arrest person wey dey spoil your daughter.
I don't understand. That's my daughter now.
What is your daughter?
The way you're holding is my daughter now.
This ex-convict.
How?
And this one I tell you we don't arrest am tire. This one dey supply go give boys.
No, sir, that's not possible now. I think there's a mix-up. Look at this girl. I see the way she's dressed. She's the one finding my daughter. Shut your mouth. Okay. Dress the way you want to be addressed. And this girl, let's leave here.
You like this?
Na me, my boss type she na me.
Who know am na? Everybody know this girl for street. She no get wahala now. Allah, very easy going person. Now the real criminal na be this.
No, that's not possible. Eh? My daughter cannot be the one spotting this girl.
Okay. Yes, so.
She's sure for you. Open your bag.
There's nothing in my bag, oh.
Open the bag and let him start it. Open the bag.
I don't go that way.
There's nothing in your bag, Abby. What is this? Are you a police officer?
Hey, it's not my bag. It's Alami's bag.
It's not just bag. It's a bag.
I could not be get phone with this. I'm gonna go that way now.
Imagine. What's in business? Igbo.
Ifoma. Ha! So you used to smoke.
That is not true. It's not my bag. It's Alami's bag. Oh, don't worry. I go bring you this. No worry.
You're under arrest.
It's not my bag. It's Alami's bag. Alami.
Now the girl be the bad girl.
Anything you say now will be against you in the court of law.
Now she dressed like better girl. But she dressed bad girl.
You see the thing saying I mean they spoil your daughter. Why you say they call you Eku? Now Eku be this Eku go. I just say no they judge to cover the book. Don't they judge to cover the book.
Don't judge the book by its cover.
Don't cover a judge.
How far I don't say mama carry person wey won't arrest they go.
Follow me talk or you not go arrest.
Boy, yeah.
Like the man, I go arrest our partner.
True, eh? Don't cover a judge with a book.
Don't cover a judge.
Yeah, so what's up, guys? Do you know you can make money like me on 24JBet? All you have to do is to register and use the promo code FINEBOYS. Guess what? They're also giving out 100 million naira to 100 new users, which is 1 million naira for 100 new users.
Hello. Hi. Bye.
Let's make carry chip down show.
God have mercy upon us.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Le monde part en couille. Non. J'ai du mal à imaginer. Regarde les trucs. Hein?
You borrowed your car to your friend and he's coming back with.
You can't just write off pata.
No be your car, no be your car, no be your car, no be your car. Oh. I won't come for once now, I carry bike.
Now one can jam on top bike. Ah, bro, person will get you before.
Okay, with this.
Sorry,
Car, the car was for them.
Sorry, the car just right off as it jammed there, finish.
We want to send a car, you take get the accident. You be crazy guy, yo. Can you imagine? This guy no get joy, yo. Your friend get accident. Wait for at least know what you do at first because say you carry injury. You can't say that your car you take get the injury. Can you imagine? And you still carry chain, you won't come buy him. If you won't buy him now, finish. You can wait till you come up, your car will come back. You really more. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. I told you guys it's going to be short, and it was really short. So what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section, and check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. You'll really love them. Trust me on that. And if you're yet to subscribe, please, I beg, subscribe. Share this video, make it go viral, I beg, so that your friends and families can actually also watch it. You feel me? So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.